So guys, this is the next carton. Okay, so this carton is for provision. Okay. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another interesting vlog. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. To my return subscribers, thank you. I appreciate you all. I see the likes, the comments, the views. You guys are amazing. Now to my new viewer, thank you so much. I would really love you to join the family. I appreciate you clicking on this video but please join the family and subscribe to my channel. Okay, my darlings, now let's dive into what today's video is all about. The question on the title is, can 50,000 naira feed a family of 4 in Nigeria? I mean, considering the inflation of price on things, especially foodstuffs in the market. Today is 8th of August 2022 guys, and today I'll be going to the market to buy foodstuffs. My darlings, if you've been seeing my market vlogs, I mean if you've been watching my market vlogs, you would see that I always go to the market with 50,000 naira, and even with the inflation of prices of foodstuff, my darlings, I haven't increased my budget, which is the reason why I'll be answering the question of, can 50,000 naira feed a family of 4 in Nigeria? Okay, so if you like content like this, please keep watching and do not forget to give my video a big thumbs up while you watch. So my darlings, I'm going to take you guys along to the market with me, but I must say this is going to be a silent market vlog. I would definitely write the caption of the prices of the items I'll be buying from the market. For those who live in Nigeria, I'm sure you can relate to those prices I'll be writing down. Okay, my darlings, now the most important thing for me when I go to the market is I only buy the items that I need. I mean, that's the whole essence of writing list in the first place. Okay, so my beautiful people, the very first foodstuff I got is crayfish. Okay, this is Nembe crayfish. I just had to have a taste of it just to be sure I'm getting the actual crayfish I want. My mom is Bayasan, so I know Nembe crayfish very well. So I got the custard rubber she's measuring for 1,200 naira. Okay guys, so the next item I got is stockfish. I always buy stockfish each time I go to the market because I use it in making soup. So yeah, I got 2 stockfish head for 1,600 naira. That's 800 naira for one, okay, for each one. So the next item I got from the market is fresh pepper and fresh tomato. Okay, yeah, I got this derica of tomato for 1,400 naira. Tomato is actually very expensive right now. And then I got shumbo pepper for 500 naira. I just told her to tie everything together and placed it in my bag. So guys, the next item I got is onions. As you can see, she sold 3 plates for 500 naira, and I got a total of 1,500 naira. That's 9 portions. Okay, so guys, after buying the onions, the next item I got is oranges. On my way out of this particular section of the market, I saw these lovely looking oranges, and my kids, they love oranges a whole lot. So yes, I got oranges for them, because I mean, once I get home, that's the first thing they will ask me, mommy, what did you get for us? Yeah, so that's been sorted. And how much is it, Maggie Baby?
The Maggie is 1,400.
You know, to me to talk 1,414. Hey, I bought this in 1,1 last month, and to give me okay, give me the 5-liter case.
It's what I meant last month.
I can make a see the expiring date. Very important.
Have you seen this?
Yes, I've seen it.
3.
Okay, what else? Okay, the oil. Then curry, sachet 1. And thyme, sachet 1. No. That one we refill. So my darlings, the next item on my list is palm oil. each of this rubber you see here is 1.5 liter. The 3 rubber fills up my 4 liters of palm oil rubber at home. So yes, I got the 3 for 4,200 naira. It was actually meant to be 4,500 naira, but she gave me a discount. I mean, I got some other items from her. Okay, yeah, so she's actually a nice lady. So guys, from here I went straight up to buy provisions. If you've seen my very first market vlog, you would see where I was buying provision from this particular lady. She sells in my 3 market. Her provisions are way cheaper. I mean, way cheaper, guys. I mean, way cheaper than buying from the supermarket. So my darlings, usually I buy milk in that's the refill milk, 400 grams, but man, the way that thing finishes, oh my god. So I decided to start buying in long rows like this, okay, so I can monitor or manage how it's being used. Really, the inflation of prices of things right now has turned me to an economist, my dear. My dear, it's not easy, man. It's not easy, but we're surviving. So here the lady is writing my list for me, I mean my bill. Okay, so right after I finished with her, I went straight up to buy beans, of which I got two rubbers of beans. Guys, each of this custard rubber was sold for 2,300 naira. Now that's to say that I got these 2 rubbers of beans for 4,600 naira. My darlings, I remember when I used to buy a custard rubber of beans for 800 naira. 800 naira. I mean, this is so crazy right now. This is not even funny. Food of anything, it's supposed to be the cheapest, I mean the most affordable thing anybody should be able to buy and survive on. But right now our economy is not even funny. It is not right. I mean, there should be a solution to this. This is not even funny right now. I can't even express how I feel. If for anything, food should be the cheapest thing for anybody to be able to afford. So guys, the next item on my list is chicken. I love buying live chicken, but my darling, live chicken right now is now the new gold. It's so expensive right now. Okay, but well, I still went to this my customer in my very first market vlog, and I was able to get one live chicken for 3,500 naira, of which this size of chicken used to be around 3,000 naira at most. But well, anyway, this was a bit fair because I got from my customer. Every other person was telling me 5,000 naira for this size of chicken. So yes, this was one of the good buys I had in the market today. So after getting the chicken, I went to get eggs. A crate of egg right now is sold for 2,000 naira. Man, I was actually happy for this size of egg I saw for 2,000 naira. There are other places you will see very tiny eggs for 2,000 naira per crate. So yes, I was actually very happy with this particular size of egg I got for 2,000 naira, even if it's actually way more expensive than what we used to buy a crate of egg. So after getting the eggs, I think this was actually the very last thing I got from this section of the market. So on my way out of the market, I got yams. Yes, I got yams and potatoes. My kids, they love potatoes a whole lot. Yam is another level on its own. A tuber of yam right now, I was told 1,800 naira, but well, I bargained and I was able to get 1,500 naira for 1 tuber of yam. So I got 2 tubers of yams for 3,000 naira. Now that is the amount I usually use to get 3 tubers of yam. So I used 3,000 naira in this August to buy 2 tubers of yams. It is well. So from here, my darlings, I went home. See, I think this one like this in the market is 200 naira. 200 naira. Like this in the market. So it feels good. It feels good, to harvest and cook from your farm. So guys, I'm back from the market, and although it's a bit dark because guys, this is exactly 10 minutes past 6. Okay, so yeah, that's why everywhere is a bit dark right now. It's already evening and there's no light. If there was light, at least the bulb would have helped to brighten the kitchen. But nevertheless guys, let me just quickly do this rundown of everything that I got from the market. Since I've already shown you guys you know, the items I got in the market when I was in the market, I'm just going to do a quick rundown. Okay guys, so these are the bags. These are the bags. In this bag I have gari. I bought 2 rubber of gari for 2,000 naira. So this is granite oil. Guys, I will have to bring this bag down a bit. So yeah, so this is the chicken. Okay, to make things easy guys, while I'm talking, I'm going to be pouring everything out. Okay, so guys, these onions I got it for 1,500 naira, like this. Okay, so guys, the next item is this is fresh tomato. Guys, I'm not going to be cooking today. It's already late, so I'm just going to store this in the freezer. So this is the fresh tomato and the fresh pepper that I got in the market. So guys, I got this soap. It's a bathing soap. I usually put it in the visitors bathroom. Yeah, so yes, this is the detergent for washing machine. Okay, yeah, so this is basically the provision carton. Okay, this is sugar, then milk, oats, beverages. So this is just basically the provision carton guys. So yeah, so guys, this is basically everything that I got. Something is missing. Okay, yeah, guys, I got beans. So this is the beans I got. I got 2 rubbers of these beans. So guys, I got 2 rubbers of these iron beans. Each rubber cost 2,300 naira. Oh wow, I still have beans in here. Oh. Guys, I still have beans in here. I even forgot. Let me put this down first. What else is left? Okay, yeah, guys, this bag. Whoa. How can I forget this bag? Okay, so I hope I don't end up destroying these sack bags. They're expensive. So this bag is in yam. Then I got this sweet potato for my girls. Okay, they always like eating sweet potato. And guys, I don't ever miss buying okra for my girls. Okay. So guys, I didn't buy leaf in the market because I have a farm. So yeah, you saw me when I was harvesting this leaf from my farm. Immediately I got back from the market, the first place I stopped was in front of my farm. So yeah, I had to harvest that. But although I'm not cooking today, if tomorrow I'll be cooking. So my darlings, these are basically everything that I got from the market. Okay, so guys, it's not easy to organize the home. It's not, but the good thing is everything I got today would last us for a month. Yeah, for a month. My darlings, as much as things are very expensive right now in the market, I can't help but to say that I thank God for providing for me and my family. I'm very, very grateful to God. That's to say that I will end today's vlog, today's Saturday vlog, right here and right now. Okay, I have a lot to do. I have a lot to arrange. I mean, the eggs, I need to put I need to put these eggs in the right crate where I usually store them. Okay, yeah, so much to do for a mama of two without a house help. So I can talk. Let me end the vlog for this day, for today's Saturday. So guys, I'll see you guys tomorrow, Sunday.